Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible? Like everyone else knows how to connect, but you're stuck on the sidelines. Stickman felt that way for most of his life. But here's the truth no one tells you. People who get noticed aren't special. They're not born magnetic. They just use a few simple habits that anyone can learn. And once Stickman discovered them, everything changed. He used to sit in cafes scrolling through his phone, hoping someone would notice him. No one ever did. At parties, he blended into the wall, waiting for someone to talk to him. They never did. He thought maybe he wasn't interesting enough, not funny enough, not confident enough. But the real problem wasn't who he was, it was what he did in the first 3 seconds. People judge you instantly. In 3 seconds, not 30. Stickman always walked in with his head down, eyes on the floor. He thought he was being humble, but he was silently sending a message. Don't talk to me. I'm not open. Leave me alone. Magnetic people walk in differently. Not arrogantly, just present. Head level, eyes calm. A tiny moment of eye contact, a soft smile, or a small nod. That tiny gesture says, I see you. I'm friendly. I belong here. And suddenly people feel safe approaching you. Stickman tried it once. He walked into a bookstore, lifted his head, looked around naturally, and made gentle eye contact with a few people. Within 10 minutes, someone asked about the book he was holding. For the first time ever, he wasn't invisible. But entrance was only step one. Stickman had another problem: his body language. Hands in pockets, shoulders curved, weight leaning to one side, face tense. He wasn't shy, but he looked closed, nervous, and uninterested. People believed what his body said, not what he meant. Then he learned a small fix. Open your posture. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms rest naturally. Lift your chest just a little. Relax your face. Instantly, people read him as safe, confident, and approachable. His body stopped pushing people away. But something even more powerful came next: the curiosity secret. Most people try to impress. They rehearse lines in their head. They wait for their turn to speak. Magnetic people do the opposite. They're curious. They ask simple but real questions. What brought you here? How's your project going? What's been challenging for you lately? And then they listen. Really listen. Stickman asked someone one simple question at an event, and the person talked with him for an hour. Not because Stickman was interesting, but because Stickman made him feel interesting. People remember how you make them feel, not what you say. Then Stickman learned something surprising: the power of silence. He used to panic when conversations paused. He'd talk too much, fill every gap, try to entertain everyone. But magnetic people are calm during silence. They don't chase energy, they hold it. So Stickman practiced sitting calmly in public, content with himself, phone put away, not searching for attention. And people started approaching him naturally. His calmness made him look confident, not needy. But here's the real reason he stayed invisible for so long. He was waiting for external validation. He walked into every room hoping someone would notice him, hoping someone would pick him, hoping someone would start the conversation first. Magnetic people don't wait to be chosen. They walk in assuming they belong. Not cocky, just grounded. Their energy says, I'm good whether you talk to me or not, but I'm open if you want to connect. That energy makes people curious. That energy draws people in. Because when you stop needing attention, you start attracting it. When you stop chasing approval, people willingly give it to you. When you stop trying to be interesting,
you become interesting. Stickman stopped waiting to be seen. He stopped shrinking. He stopped trying so hard. He started walking with presence, not desperation. And that tiny mindset shift changed his entire life. People noticed him effortlessly. People approached him without hesitation. People wanted to talk to him first because he no longer needed them to. So the next time you walk into a room, don't lower your head. Don't hide behind your phone. Don't hope someone picks you. Lift your head. Open your posture. Notice others. Be curious. Be calm. Be present. Because the moment you stop chasing validation is the moment the world finally sees you.